Have you ever wondered why modern sports cars, despite being more powerful, lack the soul that classic cars had? Let's take a moment to look back. When car designs were not constrained by aerodynamics, weight, or rigid safety standards. That was an era when designers were free to dream. They created cars not just to drive, but to evoke emotion. In today's video, we will explore legendary sports car models, revived with modern technology. From official restorations to bold restomods that carry retro spirit, but have a heart full of new power. If you're looking for a blend of classic beauty and futuristic driving experience, don't take your eyes off the screen. Number 1. 1966 Shelby GT 350. Kicking off the list is a name that is indispensable when it comes to classic sports cars, the 1966 Shelby GT 350. But hold on, don't think of this as just a dusty Mustang display car in a garage. The version you're seeing has been completely revived by Revology cars, blending the original appearance with modern power. In addition to the alluring candy red paint and striking Le Mans white stripes, beneath that is a 5.0L Coyote V8 engine, delivering up to 460 horsepower, a 6-speed manual transmission, or a 10-speed automatic, as smooth as silk, double wishbone suspension, dual Borla exhaust pipes made of stainless steel. And the best part, this car is designed to be driven every day, not just for display. This version of the GT350 not only retains its classic spirit, but will also make you want to take the wheel every weekend just to feel that old muscle car essence. Still alive. Number 2. Superformance. If you're a classic car enthusiast, but don't want to wrestle with old machinery, then Superformance is the place that turns your dream into reality. For over 25 years, this California-based tuning company has been recreating American muscle car legends, not replicas, but officially licensed continuation models. Let's start with the 1962 Corvette Grand Sport, a car originally created to conquer Le Mans, but canceled after only 5 prototypes. Now, it's back, more powerful, more precise, and ready for the racetrack. Next up is the Daytona Coupe CSX 9000, the first and only American car to win the Grand Touring World Championship. And, of course, the 289 FIA Shelby Cobra, an icon that needs no introduction. What's the common thread? All of them are rebuilt with modern components, improved suspension systems, but still retain their legendary appearance and spirit. Number 3. 1969 Chevy Camaro Valkyria, a 1969 Camaro, but capable of producing over 800 horsepower? Sounds crazy, but that's exactly what Valkyria is. Unveiled at the 2019 SEMA show, this is an incredible restomod from Ringbrothers, custom built for a client from Belgium. At first glance, it retains the shape of the original Camaro, every line, every angle, but in reality, everything has been completely reborn. The body is almost entirely made of carbon fiber. Many components are 3D printed, CNC machined, including the hood with its signature 3 air intakes. Under the hood lies a 6.8L V8 LS3 engine paired with a 2.9L Whipple supercharger, generating 809 horsepower. The Tremec 6-speed manual transmission has been modified just to handle this power. Valkyria is seen as a technical masterpiece, carrying a classic form, but capable of making any modern supercar think twice. Number 4. 2020s Gianarelli Design 1. Do you want a car with a 1960s style, but with performance on par with modern supercars? Look no further than the Gianarelli Design 1, a rebel from Dubai, born for those who crave a pure driving experience. Designed by Anthony Gianarelli, this car follows the philosophy: light, fast, and full of character. Weighing in at under 820 kg, it comes in 3 body variants: coupe, roadster, and aero. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers in under 4 seconds. Its heart is a 3.5L naturally aspirated V6 engine, producing 325 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, transferring all the power to the rear axle. You can also choose a carbon fiber body unlimited color options, and meticulously hand-stitched interior. The design one will be the car you'll want to take the wheel of every weekend. Number 5. 1950s. Morgan Plus 4. At first glance, you might think this is a Morgan from your grandfather's time. But the truth is, 97% of the components have been completely changed. This new Plus 4 still maintains its classic roadster shape, but it's built on the modern CX generation aluminum chassis, lighter, stiffer, and much more agile. Morgan also replaced Ford's naturally aspirated engine. Instead, it now features a BMW twin-power Turbo 2 0L E4 engine, producing 258 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed manual or 8-speed automatic transmission. Light, fast, but still retains the handcrafted Morgan essence. Inside, you'll find real leather, real wood, and finely detailed finishes, like a piece of jewelry you can drive. And of course, it also comes with heated seats, Bluetooth audio, if you need a bit of modern comfort. The Morgan Plus 4 offers classic style that never goes out of fashion. Number 6. 1950s. Wami Lalique Spider. Can you believe that a 1950s Maserati-inspired roadster can still step into the modern world? That's exactly what Aries Design is doing with the Wami Lalique Spider project, part of the Legends Reborn series, where legendary cars are reimagined with a new age shell. This car is inspired by the 1950s Maserati ASICS G 2000, and although it has not yet officially gone into production, the technical specifications are still somewhat vague. However, Aries has revealed some exciting details. The body is a combination of handcrafted aluminum and carbon fiber, with a design featuring side exhaust pipes, a classic grille, wire-spoked wheels, and a cockpit lined with premium Italian leather. It all exudes retro spirit, but with the polish of a modern masterpiece. Although still a concept, the Wami Lalique Spider has already sparked a nostalgic yearning for a golden age of elegance and emotion. Number 7. 1964. Corvette Stingray 2. The Corvette 2 Stingray, one of the most recognizable cars in America. And when it fell into the hands of Italian craftsmen at Aries Design, magic happened. This project began with the original 1964 body, then placed on the modern Corvette 7 chassis, bringing enhanced stability, torsional rigidity, and superior handling. Its heart is a 6.2L V8 LS3 engine, producing 525 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. A high-performance Willwood braking system is also equipped, turning this classic car into a true driving machine. The entire interior is meticulously hand-stitched with burgundy leather, following the original pattern. Each car takes over 3,500 hours to complete, not just restoration, but the art of rebirth. Number 8. 1974. Jaguar E-Type. The Jaguar E-Type. For many, this is the most beautiful car ever made, and anyone who dares to modify it would be considered sacrilegious. But if Chip Foose is the one doing the work, all preconceptions can be changed. He and his team spent over 2.5 years transforming a classic E-Type into a one-of-a-kind version. The bumpers were refined, the doors were reshaped, the rear trunk was extended, and the hood now features a sporty air intake. But what truly surprised everyone was the new heart, a Chevrolet V8 LS3 6.2L engine, producing 525 horsepower, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, completely replacing the original V12 engine. And the result? A car with timeless beauty. Now, it can roar like a true beast. Number 9. 1960s. Caterham Super 7 1600. The origins of Caterham cars date back to the 1960s, when the company was the main distributor of the Lotus 7 and later acquired the rights to produce this model under its own name. Based on the 1960s Lotus 7 prototype, this car is the perfect embodiment of the philosophy: the simpler, the more effective. With its ultra-lightweight build and minimalist chassis, it doesn't need complex technology or a massive engine to deliver a pure driving experience. Equipped with a 1.6L Ford Sigma engine, producing just 135 horsepower. Yet it can still accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers in a mere 5 seconds. Its appearance is steeped in nostalgia. Flared fenders, 14-inch Minolite wheels, and the body can be finished in polished aluminum or painted the same color. The interior is a time travel experience. A wooden steering wheel, leather seats, and analog gauges. No ABS, no traction control, just you, the car, and the curves ahead. Number 10. 1959 Aston Martin DB4 GT. The Aston Martin DB4 GT continuation was created to commemorate the 60th anniversary of the original model, and even more special, it is fully hand-assembled at the historic Newport Pagnell factory, where the original was produced in 1959. Under the hood is a 4.2L naturally aspirated E6 engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering 350 horsepower, transferred directly to the rear axle. And because it's built to the original design specifications, this car is not street legal. But you don't buy this car for casual drives. You can only purchase it to participate in a 2-year racing series at 8 iconic tracks around the world, organized exclusively for its owners. Number 11. 1989-1994 Porsche 964 by Singer. When it comes to classic Porsches, almost every enthusiast agrees that the 964 Generation 911 is the gold standard. And if you want a restoration that touches perfection, it can only be by Singer Vehicle Design. Under the hands of Rob Dickinson, the 964 is reborn with carbon fiber, premium leather upholstery, Recaro seats, classic analog gauges. Every small detail is infused with the spirit of the 1960s. You have 3 engine options for the flat 6, 3.8L, 300 horsepower, 3.8L, 350 horsepower, or the most powerful version, 4.0L, 390 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 3.3 seconds. Singer doesn't just restore cars. They turn each Porsche into a moving work of art, and above all, an emotion that cannot be replicated. Number 12. MZR Datsun 240Z. Ending today's list is a name that makes every car enthusiast's heart race. The Datsun 240Z, also known as the Fair Lady Z. This car kicked off the Japanese sports car legend in 1969. And in the UK, MZR Road Sports has brought this classic coupe back. With a special approach, no change to the soul, just making everything perfect. It still has the naturally aspirated E6 engine, with displacement ranging from 2.9 to 3.4L, producing from 240 to 380 horsepower. But now with modern upgrades, electronic fuel injection, a new wiring system, a 5 or 6-speed sports transmission, brakes, aerodynamics, LSD, differential, wheels, and interior. All have been upgraded, but without losing the original Z essence. The MZR 240Z doesn't chase trends. It retains its true character and simply makes everything better. And that's 12 classic sports cars, revived with emotion. Each one carries the breath of the past, but is awakened by the heartbeat of modern technology. Whether you're a fan of American muscle or the finesse of Europe, these cars all share one thing. They're not just to be admired, they're meant to be experienced. So, which car on today's list resonated with you the most? Leave a comment below. If you found this video worthwhile, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can continue exploring the world of cars, where every engine has its own story. See you in the next video.